Ever pondered why the choice of building materials can make or break a project? How the properties of these materials determine not only the aesthetics but also the integrity and longevity of a structure? Today, we delve into the world of building materials and their significance in construction. First, let's tackle the basic materials: bricks, stone, timber, plywood, and steel. These form the backbone of most structures. Bricks and stone, blessed with strength and durability, are often the go-to for walls and foundations. Timber and plywood bring flexibility and adaptability to the table, ideal for framing and interior elements. Steel, the titan of tensile strength, supports the towering skyscrapers that define our cityscapes. Next, we turn to cement and admixtures. Portland cement, the most common type, undergoes a fascinating hydration, setting, and hardening process that transforms it from a powder to a rock-like substance. Special hydraulic cements and various chemical and mineral admixtures expand the possibilities, allowing for customized properties to fit specific needs. Aggregates, the unsung heroes of construction, deserve a spotlight of their own. Their shape, texture, and bond strength, as well as specific gravity and bulk density, play a crucial role in the strength and durability of concrete. Even the moisture content of aggregates and the bulking of sand can drastically alter the properties of the final product. Now imagine freshly mixed concrete, a rheological wonder. Its workability, flowability, compatibility, and mobility are all key factors that determine how it behaves when poured and set. The strength of concrete, its behavior under various stress states, and factors like shrinkage and creep also come into play. Non-destructive tests, such as the rebound hammer and ultrasonic pulse velocity tests, provide valuable insights without damaging the structure. These tests, along with core cutting, help assess the durability of concrete under various conditions such as corrosion, sulfate attack, frost action, fire, seawater exposure, acid attack, and carbonation. Moving on to mixed design, a delicate balancing act of cost, workability, strength, and durability. This process involves careful consideration and methodical planning to ensure the concrete meets the project's requirements. Advances in construction materials like high-strength and high-performance concrete, fiber-reinforced concrete, and polymer-containing concrete have expanded the horizon of possibilities. Masonry, the art of brick and stone, is next on our list. With various bonds, types of walls, and construction details to consider, masonry requires skill and precision. Temporary construction elements such as shuttering, scaffolding, and centering, though often overlooked, play vital roles in the building process. And finally, the services: water supply and drainage, acoustics, air conditioning, firefighting arrangements, and electrical installations all contribute to the functionality and livability of the structure. In summary, understanding building materials and their properties is integral to successful construction. From the basic materials to the complex processes of cement hydration and concrete mix design, every element contributes to the structure's aesthetics, strength, and durability. As we continue to innovate and explore new materials and techniques, this understanding becomes even more crucial. After all, the future of our built environment depends on it.